The term APA style refers to the rules found in the publication manual of the American Psychological Association. It is most often used for research writing in the areas of psychology, social sciences, and education. Today we will learn the basic guidelines for presenting research using APA style. Style guides are used to help students and researchers properly document and format their research. They standardize how research is presented and make research writing more readable and professional. APA is one of several research style guides. Other popular styles include MLA, or the Modern Language Association. MLA is most often used when conducting literature or humanities research. Chicago style, which is often used for manuscripts that will be published as books and uses endnotes and footnotes rather than in-text citations. And Turabian, another style that is similar to Chicago. Turabian is often used as the style guide for research papers, theses, and dissertations. The APA manual was first published in 1929 in an effort to standardize scientific writing. Now in its 6th edition, the manual has been updated to reflect changes resulting from computer technology, such as information on citing blogs, personal web postings, and articles published in online databases. In addition to style guidelines, the APA manual includes information on ethics, writing clearly and concisely, and how to use statistics to support research. The manual is available in print, but Purdue University also provides an excellent resource for APA style. There are 4 main parts that should be included in APA style research: the title page, the abstract, the main body of the paper, and the reference list or bibliography. Depending on the type of research you are doing, within the body you may also need to include an introduction, method, results, and discussion. Here are some basic guidelines for formatting an APA style research paper. Use standard white 8.5 by 11-inch paper. Set a 1-inch margin on all sides. Use 10 to 12 point Times New Roman font. All parts of your paper should be double-spaced. Main titles are centered, not bolded. Block quotes or quotes of 40 words or more should be indented 1/2 inch from the left margin. Finally, you must respect the copyright of your sources. If you plan to quote 500 words or more from a single source, you must get permission from the author, and a note of permission should be included with your research. Regardless of whether you are completing a traditional research paper, formatting guidelines should be observed whenever reasonable. Title page formatting includes a header that says running head, followed by an abbreviated title of your paper, which should be no longer than 50 characters and is in all caps. A page number in the upper right-hand corner, the title page is page 1, and your title, name, and school all centered and double-spaced. An abstract is a summary of your topic, research, the research process, and conclusions. Abstracts are typically between 150 and 250 words. For the abstract, you will remove the words running head that appear on your title page. Center the word abstract at the top of your paper and include your page number in the top right-hand corner. For the main body of your paper, center the full title at the top of the page. Double-space the title and do not use boldface type. The first lines of all paragraphs should be indented 1/2 inch from the left-hand margin. The main body must include in-text citations, and any subheading should be centered and bolded. Don't forget your running head and page number. The reference list is the final piece of your research project. Remember that each citation listed on your reference list must correspond to at least one in-text citation within the main body of your project. To format your reference list, begin by centering the words references at the top of the reference page. The page number will be the next number following the last page of the body of your paper. Follow APA citation formatting guidelines for the type of resources you are citing. All citations should be alphabetized based on the first letter of the citation, regardless of whether it is an author's last name or the title of an article. Do not indent the first lines of each citation, but indent subsequent lines 1/2 inch. This is called a hanging indent.